Okay, so what'd you make? What? You made a muffler?
Yeah.
An addition. So like a tuned pipe?
Yeah, look, let me crank it up.
It makes it actually sounds good.
Whoa! Give us some gas. Think it sounds better?
Yeah.
Oh, we put this so if you walk by and you hit this, it doesn't burn you probably.
Oh,
it doesn't-
see?
And it's a hose too, because this is just
Engineering it.
And it wait,
That's
it
some.
won't come off. It won't come off.
Wow. Oh yeah, the way you put it all on there.
Yeah, we put it through. It may look a little.
It was my idea right here.
Before
Yeah,
it was
so
like a
actually
real
right there.
deep like crackle sound.
Mhm.
It still has a crackle to it.
That's
but it
called a
sounds
tuned
quite
pipe.
good.
It has like a backfire to it.
If we put
Yeah, I thought I saw a flame out of it a second ago.
really
At night, I bet if the lights were off, it was.
wait, try.
Turn the lights off and try it again.
Okay.
Go ahead and crank it up. Mm.
All right, turn those off.
Where's the other one?
There you go. Here we go. Oh, come on, give us some more gas.
Is the switch on? No.
All right. Turn the lights back on.
Nuh-uh. Wait, I have to watch this.
Hang on a minute, we got to get the lights back
This
on.
is gonna be a perfect YouTube video.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you shot flames out. You can see them inside the pipe.
Really?
Yeah,
Just
they
show
don't
'em
come
the
out or
video.
nothing, but yeah, you can see a little blue popping in there.
Like and subscribe.
All right.